the values of x, which will make this inequality true, 4x minus 5 greater than x plus 1. We make use of the addition property and write this as 4x minus x greater than 1 plus 5. 4x minus x is 3x greater than 1 plus 5 or 6. We divide both sides by 3, and since 3 is a positive number, the direction of the inequality is not affected. So we have x greater than 6 over 3 or 2. So the values of x, which will make this inequality true, are those values greater than 2. We can write the solution set as the set of all x such that x is greater than 2.